Hello, class, my English 105ers. Hope everything's going well around this midweek of whatever week this is. Hard to keep track these days, but wanted to run this quick video by you because we have some important aspects of our course coming up related to your first draft and the peer review that you're going to provide for your fellow teammates. And I want to start first by just giving you some quick instructions on that to make sure everyone understands where we need to be. So you are going to upload your draft of your iSearch by going to the Teams page. And once you're on the Teams page, you'll see a little icon toward the bottom there of the page under Group Tools that says File Exchange. And you're going to click on that link. It'll take you to a page, and then you'll see another hot link for Add File. Click there, and you're just going to upload your document here to the file. For those of you stateside, you might be used to Google Docs, and we don't really want to use Google because it's a little challenging overseas, so we're going to be working through this file exchange system. And so that's what you'll do. So again, go to your Teams page if you're in Team 1, 2, 3, or 4. Find that file exchange, click on it, and then I want you to upload the file there. So that's where your iSearch first draft is going to live, and then that's where you're going to return to find the basically the iSearches for your fellow teammates. Once you get there, you'll like I say, once you go back there, I'd say early next week is probably a good idea, maybe Monday or Tuesday, depending on your schedule. And I want you to download the file from there, read the iSearch, and then you're going to provide commentary to the discussion forum in your group. And there'll be instructions in the forum on what you need to provide and include there to get full credit. This is going to be due before 8:59 a.m. on Wednesday, so just kind of mark your calendars for that. And it's really going to be important. We put a lot of emphasis on peer review for 105. So if you're looking in your grades, you'll see we have a section called Workshops/Conferences grade. It's worth 100 points for the whole semester. And there's a few small points you can lose here and there for not, maybe not, providing your iSearch question or not sharing interview stuff. You might lose 5 points here or there. This is something where if you don't post a first draft and you don't provide commentary to the teammates who have submitted drafts, you would lose 20 points there. So I don't want to see anybody lose those points. And if you're having any issues with this at all, or you're struggling to find things, or anything's kind of going on, reach out to me ASAP, because I don't want to be taking these points away, and hopefully that won't happen, or it'll happen in very, very few cases. If a teammate doesn't submit, you are not responsible for that. I would say if we're getting into Monday morning and you haven't seen that show up, I would just assume at that point you do not have to provide that commentary. And I'll keep track of who's submitting and take notes on that as well. And then after everyone's provided the feedback, I'm going to kind of jump in and share a few thoughts. I'm going to kind of review what other folks have said so I can kind of not repeat myself or repeat what other people have said. And we'll kind of go from there. And then I just put that little group tools there. You'll, again, click back on that file exchange. You'll see all the files that are submitted there. I want to give you a big heads up too that at the end of next week, you're going to submit another project. You can submit it anytime you'd like. This is the occasional paper video. And by 8:59 next Friday, it's not this Friday, the Friday the 11th, you're going to create a video from your occasional paper essay that you write and post it to the forum. I want us to use Kaltura Media. That is through BB Learn. It's built into the BB Learn system. It seems to me to be the best way to compress and upload files. And again, we're trying to avoid going to external sites like YouTube as much as possible, given some things we've seen And there's a discussion forum for this, so you're going to post there, and then we'll have some information. You're actually going to also respond, watch some videos, and respond to them and to your fellow classmates. But I have instructions for using Kaltura on that, so recommend taking a close look at that and letting me know too if you have any problems. This project is worth 30 points, so best to not sleep on it. Don't want to take those points away either. And just doing the project, doing your best on it, writing a nice essay, posting some kind of video that represents that essay will get you those points. If you're a little nervous about being on camera or don't like to be on camera, you are welcome to create a slideshow video that you narrate. You could come up with some kind of animation, or you could do any kind of possibility or any kind of possibilities for creating that video is fine by me. I've seen some students do some really creative stuff. It's probably just easiest to turn the camera on and read it, and that might be the simplest. But again, if you want to kind of get away from that, you could just do, again, slideshow video or put together a photo collage or something like that. That would be totally fine. Do want to just send out another reminder about office hours. So, for example, when I put this out today, I'll be having office hour sort of window for you, 6 to 7:30 on Wednesday, which is 9 to 10:30 Tuesday or Thursday in Beijing. So we basically want to see folks coming in for that. And then if that time window doesn't work for you, I can also make arrangements, but let's start there. If you can make it happen in the 6 to 7:30 Monday, Wednesday, again 9 to 10:30 Tuesday, Thursday in China. If you can make that time, that would be great. If not, we can make an arrangement otherwise. But this is worth 10 points, and I'm hoping to see all of you by mid-September in there. So let's keep that in mind as we move forward. Again, got a little print screen here. You can see Collaborate for Office Hours, so you can go there. All right, well, thanks so much for taking the time to watch this, just to kind of help explain everything. Best wishes for the next couple of projects. Got some big work coming up. And again, always reach out if you need help.